All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Akingbola speaking. And in today's video, I want to share with you some of the few reasons why your Facebook ad account can get disabled for any reason. So there are many factors that contribute to your Facebook ad account being disabled. Sometimes you might have added money depending on the kind of ad account you are using, and at the end of the day, you will notice that this account still end up get disabled by Facebook. So there are different reasons that could sum up together to allow for your Facebook account to be disabled. The first reason could be one, you might not have been verified on Facebook. Now, when you have created your business manager, once you click on your business settings and you go to set up your business manager, once your business manager has been set up, you need to make sure that the email that you provided when creating your business manager is verified. So you need immediately you create the business manager, you need to go back to your email address and verify that particular email to avoid your account for being disabled. If you don't do that, it might allow you to run ad for a while and then restrict your account from running ad, and wouldn't want that to happen at any point in time. Another reason could be that the kind of payment method you are using, you are currently owing Facebook. So, with over 3 to 4 years experience on running Facebook ads, I've noticed some other people, for instance, they were probably using a postpaid account before. A postpaid account, then an ad account that allows you to insert your bank details, and then you are being charged after you are done running the ad. So, for instance, you are running the ad for about $500. You run the ad first. When you are done running the ad, the Facebook will charge you from your card. So most countries, especially African countries, have issues whereby Facebook find it difficult to charge their bank account. Now, when you start having those kind of issues, and Facebook tries to charge your ad account, and they are not able to charge it the first time, the second time, the third time, they might have to disable your ad account. This is one of the reasons why such issues happen. Another reason why your Facebook ad account can be disabled at any point in time is you are not verified. I'm not talking about email verification now. I'm talking about verification whereby you will need to identify yourself as the legitimate owner of your account. So sometimes when you get to your account quality on Facebook, you would be able to select ID card. It will ask you to confirm your identity, especially when Facebook has seen some suspicious activity going on in your ad account. So once it asks you to confirm your identity, all you need to do is go ahead, upload your ID card, take a very good picture of your ID card, make sure all the edges of your ID card is showing properly before you upload. If you don't upload the proper document or you don't upload the document properly, it will disable the account and you will not be able to reinstate the account. Another thing also make sure you ensure is that you must make sure that that particular ID card is carrying the exact name of the Facebook account. So, for instance, if your name is um, John Doe, make sure that the name on the ID card is also John Doe, not John BC or John Bidemi. It has to be John Doe. So the name on the ID card has to be the same name that you should have on the Facebook account. So if you are having a contradiction in the name on the account and the name on the ID card, make sure before you make the upload, you change the name on the ID on the Facebook account to suit the name on the ID card. Is that okay? So another reason why your Facebook ad account can be disabled could be due to you running ads directing to the using the wrong methods to run your ads. So what I'm trying to say is that once you violate the Facebook policy, for instance, you are trying to run a scamish kind of business, you're over promising on your product and you are just violating the Facebook discrimination policy, or you are body shaming people in your product, or the kind of product you are selling contradict the kind of product that are allowed to be sold on Facebook, then your ad account might be disabled on the long run. That is after the different posts or the different after the different ads you've set up have been asked or restricted to run on Facebook. After subsequent time, your ad account might end up being disabled. Now, after I've highlighted all these different issues, what are different ways you can use to make sure that your ad account is not disabled and your ad account is gotten back, especially when it has been disabled or restricted? So yeah, here are some of the few tricks. The first trick is that try to make sure you use a prepaid ad account. If you're in Nigeria, the best account ad account you should make use of, or you should set up on your ad account, should be a prepaid ad account. A prepaid account is very easy to use because it allows you to add money to the ad account. How do you create a prepaid ad account? I'll be attaching a video somewhere around here so that you can watch on how you can set up a prepaid ad account. Once you have a prepaid ad account, you can add money to your ad account, and then you run your ad seamlessly without any stress. Another thing is that, like I said, make sure you verify your account. Once you verify your email address and you carry out different verification, you will be able to avoid being restricted from using Facebook Ads Manager or Facebook Business Manager. Finally, make sure you don't violate Facebook discrimination uh, policy. Don't violate Facebook policy. As much as possible, I'll be sharing a link with you down below on the different policies that Facebook don't want you to violate. Once you do that, your ad account will be disabled. And sometimes you might find it difficult to be able to get the account back or to be able to create a new ad account. If you have any further question, I remain Akinbola Ezekiel. Drop it in the DM. And if you love the content like this, kindly make sure you smash the subscription button, give the video a thumbs up, and make sure you share it with your friends. And if you have personalized problem, send me a DM. My WhatsApp number will be attached in the description below. I will be willing to attend to your questions. Thank you very much. I'll see you in subsequent videos.